so obsessed. I want to chop your cock. Never did a mechanic. Open up, make us feel love. Yeah, my love, one thing. Me make a bad man sing. It's the girl Kat and I'm back with another video. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing a wig review on this wig that I bought from Shein. Yes, sis. Shein. So I know for the most part I do a lot of wig reviews from wigs from Amazon, but your girl wanted to switch it up a little bit. So let's see what we got in the bag. So this is the bag that my goodies came in, and as you can see, I already opened it up, but that's only because I have purchased two things. The first thing I have purchased was this shirt that I had bought from Shein. So in tops, I am a size 22/24 wide, and because these clothes are coming from China, I wanted to state that this shirt isn't actually a 4X. So this shirt is in a 4X and it fits perfectly, okay sis? So if you are in tops a 22/24 wide, at least you're gonna have this fit so good on you, okay? I figured if I'm gonna go ahead and review a Shein human hair wig, why not throw out what they are known for, which is their tops, their bottoms, their accessories. So I went ahead and got me a top for the install of this Shein wig. Now, the wig itself came in this packaging. Now, girl, ooh, she reminds me of one of my Amazon no-name brand units, okay? So, like, I'm looking at her and I'm like, what? Y'all are well known for y'all shit, and y'all come with it, packaging and all. So for y'all to have synthetic units, which I've been had for a while, but they come out with some human hair units, what? But mine literally came in this bag right here. So I don't know how to feel about it. I mean, I guess it is what it is, because to be honest, I don't really keep all the bags. So let me be real about it. I mean, I guess it is about presentation, but in reality, I don't keep all my boxes. I usually put them in like a sack or like a silk bag, you know what I mean? So, you know, we talk about storage and saving space up in here. Looking at it, you know, at face value, I want to say at least they have everything in regards to like what you've ordered in the forefront. So like I'm looking at the clear part of the bag and it states right then and there that, you know, it's a 13x6 wig, it's 26 inches, and it doesn't say the texture, but I do know that I've ordered the kinky curly. So at least everything is right there, you know what I mean? So you know what you ordered is exactly in the bag. So at this point, I'm just hoping that their wig game is better than their package game, okay? Because package isn't really serving, but it's not always about that. It's about how that wig look, okay? This is fresh out the packaging. You know, hair tends to get bigger once you wash it. So that's exactly what I plan on doing. And this is her. Oh my God. Let's go ahead and plop her on real quick, and then we're gonna head into the installation. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would like to say sorry. So sorry. I know I was supposed to have this video out hours ago, sis. And I literally had well over an hour of footage. I wanted to go ahead and chop that down last minute and add some more music because it wasn't covering the whole video. It was just like so much things going left. Like, I was just pissed. So I wanted to go ahead and just really add this to the video because I know for sure I told you guys it was going to be out last night and it's the next day. Please forgive me. I will be working on my time management moving forward, okay guys? So sorry about that. For anyone who is seeing this video for the first time people coming to my channel, I usually don't do that, but I really needed to go ahead and give my sincere apologies because that was dead wrong, okay? But we're going to go ahead and get right into this video. So right here, I am doing a water bleach bath on the unit. Now, sis, we already know how expensive hair bleach can be, all right? And I was looking on YouTube, as you can see in the phone, my cell phone right in the background. I was trying to figure out how can I stretch this hair bleach, because that shit is expensive, you know what I mean? And we all about saving coins on this channel, so like I need to find a way to make this bleach stretch. So I came across a video, and if I can find the girl, I will go ahead and put that in the description box below. But she had a method of stretching it with water. So I was like, are you kidding me? Yes. Thank you, sis. Go ahead, bring them gems to this channel, okay? So that's exactly what I did. I went ahead and made my batch of, you know, for the bleach bath. But then I went ahead and added some water. You want the consistency to be very runny, okay, sis? Because you want it to soak up all the hair in the bucket. So you're going to go ahead and just put as much of your water as well as your bleach, like an even amount of both, okay? And that's basically what you're gonna see right here. So let me just finish, or let me just let y'all finish watching this part, and then we're gonna discuss the next.
They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you want me to, and now it's me and you. Now baby, I've been waiting on you. Gonna make time, thinking about making that move. Baby, tell me if you like it, tell me if you like it now. I've been waiting, hey, gonna make time move, gonna make a move. Baby, tell me how you like it.
Okay guys, so here I'm just literally squeezing out all of the bleach bath that I can get, and then went ahead and reused it, because we all about reusing shit over here, okay? At least the bleach, okay? But yeah, so that worked out. Put the foil over it, come back like, I want to say 45 minutes, like around that, because it was only a 20 volume developer. I usually use anywhere between the 30 and the 40, and I didn't have that on hand. I only had 20, so it took a little longer. But just go ahead, after 40 minutes you want to go ahead and eyeball it. I would just say that. I know I at least had it in for 45 minutes. So here I'm going to do the watercolor method, and I'm going to go ahead and get my color of choice. I showed the bottle, as well as I'll put it in the description box below. But yeah, filled up my little bucket with hot water once again, and then put the color in it, and then just basically drenched my unit in that color. I didn't spray Gots to Be on the lace or anything like that. I didn't have to worry about it tinting the lace, so that was good. So I just went ahead and just drenched the whole wig unit in there, and came back probably around 40 minutes too. For the like, honestly, I would say for both parts do 40 minutes, and then if you want it darker for color or lighter for the unit to like lift, just eyeball it. But definitely at least give both parts of these 40 minutes.
Ooh, say what, say what, say what? Yeah, girl, you know what's up. Ooh, say what, say what,
so I wanted to go ahead and chime in, put my 2 cents in. You know how it is. So because this unit is so light, even with putting concealer in the part, I still don't feel like it stands out. Like, it's not like boom, like where I need it to be, okay? It pretty much fades in the background type of thing. So I wanted to go ahead and get my mascara brush. Now, make sure when you use it, don't get like mascara that's basically runny, because all that's going to do is just get on your hand, sis. Like, you want to make sure that that tube, like that mascara tube that you're using, is pretty much done when you're using this, when you're doing this method, because it's pretty much just gonna go ahead and get real tacky on the hair, and that's what you want, because it's not gonna go anywhere. You can touch the top of your head, it's not gonna do anything. But to make sure that it stays in place, I also use Got2b spray, and I spray the top of my hair. I don't only put it in those areas, like, which is on both ends of the part. I don't think I showed it on camera, but I actually brought the brush down a little bit to like give a ombre a little bit in the crown area, so it's not just highlighted in the part area, like, if you get what I mean. Yeah. So it stands out way better now that I've darkened the roots. So you know what, go ahead, just bring that out. This, I'm just using a little spray bottle with water. I have like leftover concealer, oh my god, leftover conditioner in the bottle, but like very little, like very, very little. And then I went ahead and used my little 2 inches of styling foam that's left in that bottle, and then my Denman brush. Now that brush is literally magic. I love that brush because it took like my curl game to the next level. So Denman brush, I got that on Amazon, sis. If you want the link, let me know. I'll go ahead and put that in for you. Last, I'm going to go ahead and put these clips in to keep the hair in place as it's drying. I went back and forth between using a blow dryer and just letting it air dry. And these are the final results. Girl, I love this unit. This easily became one of my favorite units. And it's from Shein. Like, what? Shein. I still can't believe it. Like, they truly are that one-stop shop now. So not only are you getting your clothes, accessories, girl, you can go ahead and grab yourself a wig. That's what I'm talking about, okay? So what do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Are you feeling this look, sis? Let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you at my next upload. Later.